You and I are going to make the fastest burger from scratch. In a pan, I have some mashed potatoes with corn and spices to make the patty. Mix them all well and let it cool down. After the mixture has been cooled down, make them in round shapes, but remember to make them smaller than your burger buns. For batter, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, add water to liquefy and mix it. Drop your patty first in the batter that you just made, coat it on both the sides, and then in breadcrumbs. Coat it perfectly, drop it in hot oil, but remember to be very gentle because the oil is hot and you might get burnt. Fry it till it turns crisp and golden brown. For burger stuffing, cut some cabbage, mix it with some mayo, oregano, and chili flakes. Use sauce of your liking on lower bun and coleslaw on the upper, tomato and onion, and for the cheese lover, some cheese. That's how you make the fastest burger in 1 minute.